playing Blount today. Then go ahead, come out, play hard, have fun, do our job, win the game. Three picks, three. That's our goal. Three.
You heard him?
Only four
He
three.
said 3 picks and he going. So how you think it's going so
Here
far?
in Hancock
I think it's going good,
Stadium
man.
on the campus of the University of South Alabama. Earlier today, the floor took on Mobile Christian
game, man. I like
and
the defense.
McGill Tulin played Foley.
How I feel about that? I don't know. Offense got to capitalize though. I got a big truck out here. How you think the offense and defense did overall?
Defensively, overall, I think they did really well. Attacking the ball, attacking the runner, and offensively, we got some things to clean up. They got some things to clean up.
You think y'all train harder over the summer?
Yes, they definitely gonna hit the weight room this summer, get in the classroom, go over some plays, and get better at the.
I'm talking about them. What you got planned this offseason?
This offseason, I plan on just hitting the weight room, getting faster, bigger, and stronger, and going up to Jacksonville State and making a name for myself.
Well, good luck, bro.
Appreciate it.
I got Jordan Vines out here.
What's up? I'm Jordan Vines, class 2025, BC Range Strong State.
How do you feel about the game today?
Great, it was great. Everybody got work in from both sides of the ball. We had some big plays made on our side and on their side. It was a great day.
How do you feel about the offense?
Our offense is young. We playing with a lot of youngins this year on the offense. But I feel like if you give us a couple of weeks by the season, we'll have it down pat.
Will y'all be ready for this upcoming season?
Yes, most definitely we will. We've been putting in a lot of work this summer. We already put in a lot of work. We need to get our young guys a couple more reps, give them a little more time, and they'll get it down pat.
Well, good luck, Jordan.
Appreciate it.